So if it comes to here, the homework sum, yesterday's homework sum is, this is the question. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Observe here carefully. The metal M reacts vigorously with water to form a solution, yes, and as well as a gas G. Now, the solution F turns red litmus to blue, whereas gas G, which is lighter than air, burns with a pop sound. So metal M has a low melting point and it is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors. So this is what they are saying. So if you'll observe very carefully here, what is the metal M? Which is more reactive, vigorously it will react with the water. Can you able to say?
Sodium.
Sodium.
Sodium. Because sodium, when it is reacting with water, which will form what? Which will form
Sodium hydroxide.
hydroxide.
Sodium
Sodium
hydroxide.
is a metal which is vigorously react with water to form a solution. Yes, called as, what is that solution? Sodium,
Sodium hydroxide.
sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Is it a base or acid? Is it a acidic?
Base, sir.
Yes, sir.
Base.
So base which will dissolve in water is only called as alkaline. So that what we should call? Next chapter we will study alkaline in nature. So the bases which will dissolve in water is known as alkaline. So that the solution is sodium hydroxide and it is alkaline in nature. What is the gas which will burn with a pop sound? I have told you already. Which will burn with a pop
Hydrogen, sir.
Hydrogen gas.
hydrogen gas is the which will burn with the pop sound. Remember two things I'm saying you. If hydrogen gas is releasing, if a pure hydrogen is coming out, then if will bring the matchstick, then that will burn with a blue flame. Burn with a blue flame. You understand, Amma? Or else, if the impure hydrogen is releasing, then if will bring the any kind of matchstick, it will burn with a pop sound like tap 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 tap. It will burn. So that is the testing method of hydrogen gas. Understanding either it is hydrogen is releasing or not in a given reaction, we can test like this. Is it okay, Amma? So whenever you observe pop sound, remember whenever you will observe pop sound, then immediately what is the answer?
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen. Sir.
That's,
Hydrogen.
that is what you should remember. Now, write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction which takes place with the metal M reacts with water, they are saying. So what is that reaction? Can you able to say?
Na plus H2O.
Na plus
Na plus H2O
H2O
is equal to
H2O
NaOH.
is equals to
NaOH.
arrow. Kevin,
Gives
where-
NaOH
NaOH
Plus H.
Plus
plus
H2O. H2.
H2O or H?
plus H.
Somebody is saying H2O
Plus H2, sir.
plus H.
H2O.
H2.
So
H2,
this is
sir.
see, this is even your classmates also will do the same thing. But what is the difference between you and them? What I said, make it
Sir,
more.
plus heat we can add. Also.
Yeah, plus heat not. Make it more informative is most important. Solid, sodium is
Gas,
Solid.
balance.
solid, sir. Liquid.
How you will balance? How you will balance?
2 Na, 2 Na,
2 Na plus 2 H2O.
NaOH plus H2.
2H2.
2H2.
H2, sir.
H2.
H2 only, sir. H2 only.
H2. Understanding. Now state this is solid and this is liquid and this is what? This is dissolved in water. Aqueous.
Aqueous state.
Aqueous.
State was Pranav, I think. Correct, Pranav? Aqueous state. And as well as hydrogen is what?
Gas.
Gases.
Gas.
Gas, sir.
So this is the equation. Now, if you'll observe, in this heat is released so that it is exothermic or endothermic reaction. It is
Exothermic
Exothermic reaction.
exothermic
Exothermic
reaction.
reaction.
So, exothermic
Equation can we add heat also, sir?
plus
Yes,
heat you
sir.
can add. That is good. Very good. So you can write here plus heat also. So if you write plus heat, so means in the sense of after the reactants, means in the product side we are writing plus heat, means in the sense of it is what? It is what?
Exothermic reaction.
Exothermic reaction.
Exothermic
This
reaction.
is all about answer. So please all of you verify. Arvind, have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nitish, I have not received answer from you. Pranita send me. Jesse is not send me. Akshay also not. Akshay send me, I think. So this is all. This is the answer. Prasini also joined. So one more is missing. Please make a call. Somebody who is that? Find it and send me. Varshini is there. Varshini is not there. Correct?
Varshini Binsi, sir.
Varshini.
Varshini Binsi and Deena. It is.
Dina is there. Dina is not there. Make a call,
No, sir.
please. Okay. Kindly make a call. This is about this one. Very good. All of you verified. Is it okay?
Yes,
Completed.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
1 minute, sir.
Please make a call to Dina Pranav. Your friend only, correct? Completed?
Sir, while writing the answers, do we
Yes,
have
sir.
to write the reason, sir?
Huh?
Sir, while writing the answer, do we have to write the reason?
I'm not understanding, Ashika. Ask me clearly. While writing the while writing the answering.
Do we have to write the reason for that, sir? Because for hydrogen, we have to write the reason like
Reason not
hydrogen
required.
is the
Reason not
only.
required. Not required. Not required. Just directly you put the
Okay.
answer hydrogen. Whenever you see a word blue flame or pop sound, blindly you write that. That definitely in that the gas is releasing. That gas is definitely hydrogen gas. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
That is
Okay, sir.
understanding. Yeah, I think Varshini is also joined. Correct. Bensi is joined. Now only Dinara. Dina is missing. Now, shall we go for it now? Next question. All of you.
yes, sir.
Hey, Pranav, make a call to Dina.
Yes, sir.
Get ready. Next question. See, it is a little bit tricky, but it is very easy. For us, it is easy. No need to worry. Understand? But others, maybe it is difficult. But for you people, it is very easy. But balancing equation should be more important. Let me see who will solve it. And always here, last question you may remember, they are turning that red litmus turning into blue litmus. Means in the sense of it is basic in nature or acidic in
It is a
nature.
base, sir. It is a base.
That is what we want. Always red litmus to blue litmus base. Blue litmus to red litmus, it is acidic.
Acid.
That is you should remember. So this question, please kindly start answering. Later only I will explain. Very, very easy question, but it is difficult for them. Difficult. Dina, you only need to answer this question. I know that you joined. Dina joined. What happened to this fellow? Not joined. Why? Anybody? Nitish? Pranita, can you answer this question? Read the question carefully. Tarani Pushpa? Varshini, I am not at all receiving any information from a response from you. Varshi Bensi. Are they Gayan? Prajni, you also try to answer. First, this is the equation which I have taught you. 300 atm pressure. You may remember when I am
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
teaching you the conditions required for the reaction. Then I have taught you this reaction. You may remember. Showing the pressure, temperature and all, I have taught you this. They are saying that highly poisonous gas. By seeing that word, you may remember what is that gas? Highly
Methane.
poisonous gas.
Sir, carbon monoxide.
Very good. Who said that? Carbon monoxide? Padmavarshini, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, carbon monoxide also said. Very good. That is. So that is why carbon monoxide also called as, I told you one more name. Another name for that, carbon monoxide. I have taught you. Anybody?
Sir, methanol.
Methanol not.
Methanol.
Array, methanol CH3OH. I am saying another name. Name for carbon monoxide. Silent killer. What we should do? Silent killer. All that is why it is highly
Laughing gas, sir.
laughing gas not. Silent killer. Carbon monoxide, also known as silent killer, because even if we inhale, we don't even feel because it is a tasteless, colorless gas. So if we inhale, even just a 5% of our breathing.
Sir, why is hydrogen?
Wait, you answer first. What are X, Y, Z? That is what I want first. So let me see who will answer.
Sir, why is hydrogen?
So is hydrogen?
Pranav,
Why
you
is
answer.
hydrogen?
Pranav.
Methanol.
Sir, it is
Sir, why is
CH2O.
hydrogen?
Methanol, sir. Sir, is that is methanol? Sir, is that is methanol?
Okay. So let me see first. First one. Let me read the question. Try to understand the question, because your way of reading question is different and my way of reading question is different. Let us understand very carefully. So if you'll observe very carefully, I have taught you this equation. We have written a catalyst called as zinc oxide plus chromium oxide.
Chromium.
Remember? That is the
Yes,
equation.
sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
is the equation. That's all. Very simple equation. Understand? So if you'll observe very carefully here, when a mixture of gases X and Y is compressed to 300 atm pressure, and then passed over a catalyst consisting of mixture of zinc oxide and chromium oxide. By reading this one itself, we can understand what is the XYZ. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is. Now, you people
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, you are all, you understood and you know all that equation. Can you able to say XYZ now?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Yes, sir.
X is
X is carbon monoxide.
carbon monoxide and Y is
Which is
hydrogen.
carbon monoxide.
Why is
Hydrogen
hydrogen?
gas.
Hydrogen gas.
Yes, methanol.
Hydrogen gas.
Hey,
Methanol, sir.
CH3OH.
They will form what? Methanol. CH3
Methanol.
OH.
methanol.
OH.
CH3OH. Also which to called as what? Methyl alcohol. What do you
Methyl
call?
Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol.
Those who don't know, Tarani Pushpa, I think you have not completed the videos. Karthikeyan also. So for you people, remember whenever you will see a word called as a catalyst combination of zinc oxide and chromium oxide, understanding? Means in the sense of catalyst, ZnO plus chromium oxide, what is the formula? CR?
CrO3.
CrO3.
Understanding?
O3,
So this is
sir.
the catalyst, and the temperature required is 300 degrees Celsius.
300
What is the
degrees
temperature?
Celsius.
Temperature required is
300
300 degrees Celsius. Means in the sense of what is the raw materials? Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen,
Carbon monoxide plus
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen
which will give
gives
you
gives
CH3OH.
CH3OH. CH3OH, sir.
CH3OH, also called as methanol.
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 Methyl alcohol.
Methyl alcohol. Or else you remember,
Alcohol.
few times people will make you confusing. CH3OH also we can write CH4O. Is it right or wrong? CH4O. Can you able to accept? Yes, both are
Yes,
correct.
sir.
If both
Sir,
don't
yes.
get confused. Understanding? Here one H is there, I am adding here. Here 3 is there, here 1 is there, CH4O. Both are correct.
Okay.
Understand? So this is the XYZ. What are XYZ? X is carbon monoxide,
Monoxide.
Carbon
Y is
monoxide
hydrogen. Z
and
is methanol.
hydrogen gas. Y is hydrogen gas and Z is CH3OH, methyl alcohol or methanol. So what is the catalyst here? Zinc oxide plus chromium oxide. Temperature is 300 degrees.
300 degrees Celsius.
300 degrees.
300 degrees Celsius.
That is CH4. That is what you see. So in question, what they have given here? CH4O they have given. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir.
So now, 90% of your classmates, if you will show them CH4, they will only remember methanol means CH3OH. If you will write CH4O, they will think it is another compound. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That
Yes,
is
sir.
what I am saying. Understanding that will only will make the difference between you and others. That difference should come from beginning. So people, so many see, because in paragraph itself they have mentioned that it is forming the compound molecular formula of CH4. Means in the sense of what? It is itself a Z. Is it yes or no? XYZ. Z is the CH4O only. But what is that name? Name is what? CH3OH means it is methanol or methyl alcohol. That you should remember. And they are saying that X is highly poisonous gas. Means in the sense of from this word I can understand X is water. If you don't know also, I'm saying. Actually, two ways of answering this question. One is by seeing the catalyst and as well as temperature, we will remember this equation. Is it yes or no? This equation we have already practiced. Suppose if you are not remembering this equation, then how to answer means by seeing that they are saying that Z is understanding an organic compound Z having the molecular formula of CH4. They are saying CH4O. So means in the sense of this is the Z. See again down they are asking Z only. Now next highly poisonous they are saying. Highly poisonous means in the sense of it is what? Carbon monoxide. Answer is in question itself. Next, when the fuel burns a limited supply of air, Y gas is which can be made by the action of dilute acid and a active metal. Dilute acid and active metal. What is that reaction, Ra? Can you able to say that? Dilute acid and active metal. First reaction.
Sir, zinc and H2SO4, sir.
Zinc plus H2SO4. Yeah, very good. If we'll take. So from that equation, which gas will release? H2SO4. Which gas will release?
H2, sir.
H2.
H2
Others,
gas, sir,
others
hydrogen.
you don't know.
Hydrogen,
ZnSO4 will
sir.
come.
Hydrogen.
Yeah, ZnSO4
Hydrogen
will
gas,
come.
sir.
Plus hydrogen gas will come.
Two, sir,
So
plus
that-
H2 hydrogen.
yeah, ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas will come. So that what is the Y product? Y is the what?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen gas.
H2.
That's all. So from this only we are everything from
Hydrogen.
question only we are getting the answer. Is it yes or no? That is what
Yes,
we
sir.
want. Understand? So hydrogen gas. So that is why
Sir, but
Uh,
last one I cannot understand, sir. Is it a liquid organic compound which can react with
which,
sodium metal to
which is
produce-
organic compound, CH3OH. It is a state is liquid. Methyl alcohol. It is liquid. This is
So
gas.
it can react with sodium to produce hydrogen.
Which one?
Can you
CH3.
do that reaction one time, sir?
Wait. Now this is what gas. Carbon monoxide is gas. Hydrogen gas is also gas, which will form CH3OH. Is it yes or no? Now what second
Yes, sir.
equation? Second question I have not yet read. Now I need to read that. What is that? Write a balanced chemical equation of the reaction which takes place when X
Sir,
and Y combines to
Sir,
form.
I'm not asking that one, sir.
In the paragraph, the last line is there, no, sir.
I am
And
in
Z
the
is a
paragraph,
liquid
sir, last line.
can react
Paragraph,
with sodium
this is-
metal to produce
Y
hydrogen gas.
is a gas which can be made
Is that,
by
sir?
the
Is that I cannot understand, sir. Is that
No,
last
The
line?
last line,
what they're
sir,
saying
last-
is here, Z is a liquid organic compound which can react with the sodium metal to produce hydrogen gas. Now you take CH3OH. The CH3OH again you take a reacting with sodium. What will happen? CH3OH reacting with the sodium. What will product will come? Sodium carbonate plus hydrogen gas. That's all, Amma. Sodium, Na. So what will come? Sodium carbonate formula, you tell me. What is the sodium carbonate formula? Ah,
Na
ah,
NaC.
tell me. Sodium oxycarbonate. That is what you remember. Write it. Sodium oxycarbonate.
Na3C
Ah,
Na3CO.
NaH. Right. All of you write. Na. Methyl alcohol. Correct. Right. CH3O. Sodium oxy. Right. Sodium oxycarbonate. CH3O Na will come. CH3O Na. Write the formula. I will say it. CH3ONA, sodium methoxide plus hydrogen gas will come. That is, you don't know. Actually, it will come in +2. You write it now. No issues. It will CH3. All of you write. CH3. Very good. This you don't know, but you can write it. No issues. CH3ONA, sodium. Understanding plus hydrogen gas will come. Please try to balance it and tell me what is the balanced equation. Let me see who will say first. Balance it. Balancing. Balancing, Ra. Hydrogen is 2 is there. So here 2 will come. So here if 2 will come, then what will happen? Hydrogens you check it. Is it balanced? Not balanced. Here also 2 should come and here also 2.
Hydrogen reaction in
This compound name called as sodium methoxide. Please all of you note it down. Sodium methoxide means sodium oxycarbonate is also called as sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide. This is the equation. You understand or not? So actually this is not required for us because it is not there also, but they have given just for information. So here it is forming hydrogen gas. So the state you have to remember. So sodium is solid. What is the state? So sodium, what is the state? Solid. And
Solid,
ethyl alcohol is
Solid.
liquid.
liquid.
Understanding. Again, it will form a liquid state. Understanding. Sodium methoxide
Gas.
as well as gas. This is the state. All of you should remember. That is, write it, all of you. So this is the equation. It is unnecessary equation, but you want, you can write it.
Sodium methoxide does not come under aqueous state.
Aqueous state not a it is a metal liquid state only. There is no water in that because carbonate it is. Carbonate plus sodium. Okay.
Okay.
Because of that, it will comes like a liquid state. It is not dissolved in water, so that only it is not aqueous state. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma.
Yes, sir.
So now, so those who wants to like that equation, because first time we are studying, correct? So this equation, even I have not even expected understanding. So that let me see this equation. I will say. So one or two equations you please write it. Then you people better understanding down, because it is not there in class 10th. But this question they have mentioned, correct? So we are having a possibilities. Write the equation, please. Next equation: sodium plus ethanol. Sodium plus ethanol. You write, please. Ethanol C2H5OH. See, methanol CH3OH. Is it yes or no? Methanol
Yes, sir.
CH3OH. Ethanol C2H5OH. Ethanol C2H5OH. C2H5OH is the formula. Is the formula of ethanol. Carbonates compounds we will study this. You don't worry. This is all alcohols only. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. That is all alcohols. So reacting with the sodium again. Reacting with the sodium. Just for example, I am saying. Again, they will form hydrogen gas along with the product. So this is the equations we should remember. Metals reacting with alcohol. Especially you keep the name. Metals reacting with alcohol. Metals reacting with alcohol. They will form metal. They will form metal methoxy or ethoxides plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is common in this reaction. Now you see how the product will come. C2. Now can you able to say in the same way product? C2H5. C2H5
C2H5 ONA, sir.
ONA.
plus
ONA
plus
hydrogen
H.
gas H2.
plus
H2.
hydrogen gas. That's all. Understanding? So this is what the reaction. So C2H5ONA is called as, here what we should call sodium methoxide. So here what we should call sodium ethoxide. This is ethanol. This is ethanol. Understand, Amma? C2H5 is a ethanol. So that it is called as ethoxide plus hydrogen gas. That is called as what? Sodium ethoxide. ETHO. All of you note it down. This is. Is it okay, da? Any doubt? Anybody you can ask. This is not. This equation is not there actually. But anyhow, from this question we have learned one more thing. So they will ask you few times. Write the reaction between metal and alcohol. Any alcohol, so that you can write these equations. Is it yes or no? Yes. No response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is.
Yes, sir.
So you want one more equation also, you can write for this. Suppose it is reacting with the propanol. Propanol is C3H7OH. Propanol is C3H7OH. Every time one carbon and two hydrogens are increasing. C3H5H7. C3H7OH is the, again one more alcohol. Propanol we used to call this one. So for this
So it is reacting with
sodium only.
Na, sir.
Sodium. This also you can write it. What is the products will come? Let me see who will say first. Jesse.
C3H7ONA. Yes, sir.
C3H7ONA plus hydrogen gas. What is the name? Name what we
Plus
should call?
hydrogen.
Name what we should call? Sodium. This time it means ethoxide.
Sodium.
Now prop. Now prop. What we should call? Propanol. Propoxide. Propoxide plus
Propoxide.
hydrogen gas. That's all. Propoxide. Yeah,
Sodium
that's propoxide. Sodium propoxide. Akshay is saying sodium propoxide plus hydrogen gas. That's all. I understand Tarani Pushpa, Karthikeyan. Others also respond.
Yes.
Pranav, what happened to Dina?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
called him? Somebody,
Yes, sir. I called him, sir.
what he said?
He didn't take the call, sir.
It's okay, Pranav. You understand this
Sir,
equation, Pranav?
for the sister function also.
Yes, sir.
No, it's okay, it's okay, no issues. Arya, you understand this equation? Metal plus alcohol.
Sir,
Okay. As well as you remember, instead of sodium, you can write potassium also. Potassium is also more reactive. That is also we can write it. Understanding? By that time, methanol, understandings. Potassium, methanol, like that it will come. It is. Now here what we are saying, here, sodium methoxide. By the time potassium methoxide will come. Like that, potassium methoxide, potassium propoxide will come, because sodium and potassium is more reactive metals. Correct or not? So that the reaction will takes place. That is also you can remember. But reacting with the sodium is better for us, because we are learning 3 equations now. Is it clear? Any doubt? Anybody? You can ask. Understand or not?
no doubt. Sir.
So this
Sir,
is what.
Propana,
What?
Sir,
Kevin?
sir, what is the formula, sir? C3H7OH only.
C3H7ONA. What do you want? Propanol?
Yes, sir.
Propanol C3H7OH. Every time one, see, OH is common, alcohol OH is common, but every time one carbon plus 2 hydrogens will increase. Methanol CH3OH. Ethanol, C will become C2, H3 will become H5. 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon will increase. That's all. Understand, Kevin?
Okay, sir.
Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Understanding? Next, pentanol, next hexanol, like that. Every time one C and 2 hydrogens will increase. Keep on. OH is common. That is carbonates compounds. We will study that. But anyhow, now we will study also. It's not an issue. Prasini, you understand, Prasini? That is the question. Is it okay, da?
yes, sir.
Yes. So now let us go for this question. I hope you all
Everything
understand.
will react with sodium, sir.
Everything will react with the sodium, because that is present above the metal activity series. Metal activity series I have already taught you, correct? It is more reactive than
Yes, sir.
that is. Sodium and potassium are more reactive than that. That is what it is. Okay. And even they are having a low melting points. They can easily catch fire. So that only reaction will take place. Understand, Ashika? Don't think that it is won't react with iron and all. Iron and all okay, but slow reaction, because they are having a high melting point. Sodium and potassium, they are as we know that they are not having a characteristics of malleability and ductility. They can cut with a knife easily. Is it yes or no? You have studied in class 8th.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That is the reason why they will react with that is. So now this is about this question. Let us go for next question. Let me see who will answer fastly and perfectly. Go ahead. Varshini, no response. This question Varshini only will answer. Varshini, you have to answer this question. Ganapati, you
Okay,
understand
sir.
last question?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
That catalyst and alcohol have remember. Sorry, that alcohol and sodium have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prasini and Varshini will answer this question. Dilipan also become silent now. I don't know why. Karthikeyan, Humaira also very silent. Not at all speaking. Simply sitting. If you're unable, if you're not convenient to speak, you can send me in chat. What happened, Varshini? This much time? Is it
Sir,
this much time?
compound A is potassium
is
chloride.
No, lead, I think so, sir.
You wait, Padmavarshini. When your term will come, you speak. You think the question. That is what I'm saying. Again, last time I'm saying you, Padmavarshini. I think so. I don't want that word. Last
Okay,
time
sir.
I'm saying you. You confirm, get confirmed. Why you are keeping second choice again every time? There is no second option for us. Understand, Padmavarshini?
Okay, sir.
You get confirmed. Why you are not reading the question? If you read the question, you will understand that. Tell me, Varshini, now. What is the answer for first question? Anybody?
Sir, Potassium chloride.
Potassium chloride or chlorate? Chlorate or chlorate?
Chlorate.
Because potassium chloride.
Chlorate.
Potassium chlorate, sir.
Chlorate.
Potassium chlorate. What is the formula?
Sir.
KClO3.
KClO3 plus
KCl.
MnO.
That is right. First now. So try to read the question, all of you. So they are saying that a white solid compound A decomposes quite rapidly on heating in the presence of black substance X to form a solid compound B and C. So this is what we have reaction under the reactant called as, you may see that catalyst reaction. Have you remembered? Potassium
Yes, sir.
potassium chloride, KClO3. What is the products will come? KClO3 will start decomposing. Understanding? Under
Potassium chloride and oxygen will come.
the potassium chloride, under the catalyst called as what? A black substance called as
Manganese.
manganese illa, manganese
Manganese
oxide.
dioxide.
Manganese
Manganese
dioxide.
oxide.
MnO2. Manganese dioxide.
Manganese
not
oxide,
MnO2.
sir.
2K.
MnO2, manganese dioxide.
MnO2, sir.
So KCl plus, what is another product?
Oxygen gas.
Oxygen, oxygen will
Oxygen
come.
gas.
Oxygen, sir.
Yeah, is it
Oxygen,
balanced?
sir.
Is it balanced?
Sir, not balanced.
No, sir.
So here by
3,
keeping
2, sir.
here by
2
keeping
KCl.
2 KClO3,
2
2 KCl, 3 O2.
2 KClO3,
Yeah.
2
Okay.
KCl plus 3 O2.
That is so. What is compound A? Potassium chlorate.
Potassium chlorate.
Next, what is compound B? Compound B.
Potassium chloride.
Potassium chloride.
What is
Chloride.
gas?
Potassium
The
chloride.
oxygen gas.
Oxygen,
Next.
sir.
What
Oxygen.
will you think the black substance X? This is the only reaction which we have.
Catalyst.
Manganese
Manganese.
dioxide.
Manganese oxide, sir.
Manganese
Manganese oxide.
Catalyst.
Manganese dioxide. What
Manganese
is its
oxide.
function?
Uses catalyst.
What is its function? It is a what? It is a what? What is
Yes,
it?
sir. The
It is a
catalyst.
It is a catalyst. That is
Catalyst.
what we want. That is.
Catalyst.
What is the general name of
Catalyst.
substance like X? General name. General name is
Catalyst.
catalyst. That's
Catalyst.
general name is
Catalyst.
called as
Catalyst.
catalyst. It is a
Catalyst.
catalyst and its name is also catalyst. So the function is what?
Rate influence the rate of reaction.
It will influence the rate of reaction. That is what we want. Influence means it may be increases the reaction or decreases the reaction.
Or decreases the
That
reaction.
is what we can say. It will influence the rate of reaction without involving in the reaction. Understanding? So catalyst will never involve the reaction directly. Just it will be influence the rate of reaction. That is what you can remember. Rate of reaction. So the general name of this X substance is called as what we should call it?
Catalyst.
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 Now, so those who don't know also, I am saying you three things you remember. So 3 direct catalyst reactions I will say. One catalyst reaction is ammonia. All of you should note it down. One catalyst reaction is ammonia reaction. When nitrogen plus, understanding, when the formation of ammonia NH3, the catalyst is iron. What is the catalyst? Formation of nitrogen, understanding, N2 plus
Iron.
H2. Understanding, N2 plus H2 will give you, here the catalyst is iron. What is the catalyst?
Iron.
Iron. Iron is the catalyst. Next, in this reaction, potassium chlorate, the catalyst is manganese oxide. Whenever you will see a word called as black substance, 100% the catalyst is called as what? MnO2.
Manganese.
And this is the
Sir,
reaction.
sir, can you say the equation of ammonia catalyst?
Ammonia N2 plus H2 will give you NH3. So balancing is most important now here. So 2 NH3. So here N2 is there. So here 3H2 will come. That's all. N2 plus 3H2 will give you 2 NH3.
2 NH3.
And iron is the catalyst. All of you should remember. Iron is the catalyst. Okay. So this is the one catalyst reaction which we have. Next, second catalyst
So
reaction.
what is the catalyst for ammonia reaction, sir?
Iron,
Iron.
Fe. Fe is the iron symbol. Next, second catalyst reaction is this one. All of you should remember. Black catalyst means you should remember this one. Whenever they will say gray catalyst, or else ammonia, formation of ammonia, catalyst is Fe. That is you should remember. And one more catalyst, just now last question we have studied. What is that question?
Sir, ammonia only gray catalyst, sir.
No, ma, iron. Iron is the gray in color. Okay.
That only, sir, ammonia catalyst. That equation
Formation of
only gray
ammonia,
catalyst.
iron is the catalyst. Understanding. Next, formation of decomposition of potassium chlorate, a black catalyst called as MnO2. as well as last question we have studied formation of methanol. Formation of methanol. So carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gas. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gas. In this, we are having a double catalyst. Two compounds will be a catalyst. One is called as what? ZNO. Just now we have studied, correct? Last question.
Yes, sir.
ZNO plus chromium oxide. So this is the
Chromium.
catalyst. So this is the only three equations we have. Please kindly remember this, all of you. So CH3OH, or we can call it as, what is another thing, Ra? CH4,
OH. Oh.
CH4O. So this is.
So what is the last reaction, sir?
Amma, this is formation of methyl alcohol. Catalyst is ZNO plus CrO3, chromium oxide. So this is the only three equations you people have. Kindly remember this. Understand, Amma? That is. And here the equation also, remembering is also very easy. 300 degrees Celsius plus 300 atm pressure. 300 degrees Celsius